Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've done another full glam-ish look for you. Glamish? It's like kind of glam. Not full glam, but like it's pretty glam. It's like a soft glam. Soft glam. Why didn't I just go with that? I don't know. I'm honestly really terrible at introducing my videos. Anyway, if you want to see how I created this golden glowy look, please keep watching. So I look super weird right now because my hair is wet and this bun is really high. If anybody has any suggestions for how to grow these baby hairs or fix them, please help me out because what is that? I don't know. Anyway, so to start off this dewy skin look, of course I'm going to prime my face using a moisturizing face primer, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Complexion Perfection moisturizing makeup base. If you have super oily skin, I would suggest not to do this. Dewy skin is probably just not gonna be an option, really, if you want to wear your makeup all day, maybe for like an hour. But if you have super oily skin, it's just gonna end up flying away. You're gonna be super stressed about touching your face to anything. You don't want that. But if you got pretty dry skin, this will actually help it. So before I put on my foundation, I'm actually gonna go in with MAC's Hyper Real Foundation in Gold Effects. I just put a bit of that on my fingers and just blend it in to my face. I start by putting it on the high points, nose, chin, and then just rub it in like you did with the primer. Next, for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in the shade Light Medium. This is 2.35. I'm just gonna blend this out. Now to keep this sort of hydrated situation going on, I'm gonna go in with some cream contour. And I'm actually going to be using Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha to contour and the shade Warm Beige to highlight. I really like these because they actually blend out so well. They don't dry right away, which is nice. So I can actually put it all over where I want it to go and then go in. Sometimes you have to like do it in sections, but with this one you don't gotta. So to blend this in, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. Just going to make sure it fades nicely into the skin and into the jawline. And like I always say, if you get stressed about it being too dark, go back in with your foundation sponge and just kind of blend that line out. It just really softens that up. And if you do contour your nose, don't worry about the nose being too brown or anything being too brown because we still gotta go in and conceal. This is not the final product. Imagine. This would be rough. And to set this all, I'm going to be going in with Born This Way's Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder in Translucent. I like this one because it just gives you a little bit of a sheen, not sheen, luminescence is the word. Definitely used this before. To set under my eyes, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. I feel like I look like a monkey right now. I can't even see properly. Going all the way up the side of the nose to highlight there. I'm not going to set my eyelids yet just because I still have to do my eyebrows. Next I'm going to take this big fluffy Morphe brush and just set my entire face lightly. I don't want to go too heavy and take away the glow. but I also want it to stay on my face and not transfer onto other people when I hug them, you know? Just simple things like that. It's hard to do. Okay, so now, just to add a little bit more luminescence, I'm going to be going in with MAC by Patrick Starr. And this is Baby It's Gold Outside. And I'm just going to take this big fluffy Morphe RO brush, just swirl it up, and just kind of put that on the high points. Forehead, cheek, nose, chin, just in all the glowy places. Next for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced's Sun Bunny. I'm going to be going in with this big fluffy Morphe Rose Gold brush. These flippin' baby hairs. Now for blush, I'm going to be going in with Benefit Cosmetics Gold Rush. And I'm going to take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. It smells really good. Alright, so you guys have seen me do my eyebrows before, and I do have an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm just going to quickly do those. And I'm going to be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Alright, now for my eyes, I'm going to be going in with Violet Voss's Creme Brûlée palette. And I'm just going to set my eyelid using this first color. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. Also just quickly going over with that beauty blender to make sure there are no creases. And I'm just going to lightly set this. So this is going to be a pretty simple look. I'm going to be warming up my crease using this first brown color. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 blending brush for this. And I'm just going to warm up my crease and half of my lid. Just going in like this. Just to smooth out any line up by my brow bone, I'm going to go back in with that brush I used to set my eye. And just make sure everything is blended to perfection. So now for my lid, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. And I'm going to go in with this third gold on the top row. And I'm just going to blend that onto my lid. Just really pack that in there. I'm going to go into my finger after. I just want to get the base. And just kind of blending it up into my crease. And going in with my finger, just really packing it on there. Then lightly blending it up. Going in with that setting brush again. Just making sure all the edges are nice. And then going in with this second color, this lighter gold, and placing that on top. Then going back in with that brown, that first light brown. I'm also going to go in with the light gold in my brow bone and inner corner. And I'm going to go in with my Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush. I'm also going to go in with the smaller smudger brush, and this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH42. And I'm going to go in with this darkest brown and just smudging that right on the outer half lash line. Just kind of blending it up. Now going in with the same brush, I'm going to lightly apply this under my eyelid, like directly on my lash line. Just halfway in. Wiping off that smudger brush, that Anastasia Beverly Hills smudger brush, or grabbing another smudger brush and picking up the lighter brown. Going in a little bit farther and underneath that. Blending it out with that big brush. You can obviously do liner if you want, but I don't want to do that with this one. So I'm just gonna go straight in with the lashes. I know I never do this, but I'm gonna do some mascara first, and I'm gonna go in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Gonna do some mascara first. Just to like blacken that up. Sometimes I can't get in there enough, and because I'm not doing liner, it doesn't hide it as well. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes after I put on the fake lashes because I don't want to be messing up underneath my eye at all. So for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Luxy Lash in Lil Miss Money. I really, really love these lashes. Now taking a small liner brush, I'm going to go back in with that brown and just go over the lash line and make sure any glue is hidden. And going back in with that mascara and going over them one more time. Blend them all together, and then bottom lashes too. So for the finishing touches, we're gonna go in with highlight, and I'm gonna be going in with Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer. This is Pineapple Sun. I'm gonna go in with the highlight side on Too Faced's highlighting brush. Cupid's bow, nose, and just to add a little touch of gold, I'm just gonna dip my brush into this lighter gold color, just a little bit, and pop that right on the tip of your cheekbone. Now for my lips, I'm just gonna make sure they're a little bit balmed up with my Burt's Bees. And of course I'm gonna go with some lip gloss because it's glowy, but I'm gonna line my lips using Oak by MAC. And going over that using my Too Faced Pretty Penny High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. And the very last thing I'm gonna do is set my face using MAC's Fix Plus Gold Light. Well, my hair smells really good, but it looks terrible, so we won't talk about it. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, remember to click that bell button if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos, and leave any questions or requests below in the comments. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you so much, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.